Hey guys, it's Big Papa. Once again, I'm in my kitchen. I'm just giving you guys a little shot of something I was doing for the last hour. So I'm cooking curry mutton. So um, I've been cooking for a while, and my curry is just I'm in season and everything. Just have to be just cooked down a bit. And that's my plain white rice, butter, salt, and everything has been added. I'm just covering it, and yes, so this is my curry mutton. As you can see, it's curry mutton with Irish potato and season. Everything is just basically, it just needs to be cooked down, and yeah, yeah. So that's it, guys. This is just a short of, you know, honestly, I didn't remember to do to make a complete cooking video, but this is something I'm just preparing for myself for my dinner. So just a quick heads up. As you can see, it's like really, you know, steaming and everything is, you know, if you guys could smell it. So I'm gonna be posting this as a shorts today, as soon as I edit it, and when I get the finished product to let you guys see how my plate looks. Okay, so this is Big Papa signing off for now until I get back to you to show you the finished plating. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. So guys, this is my curry mutton on white rice plated with some cucumber on the side. So yeah, it's so delicious, guys. So I'm gonna be putting this. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And this is Big Papa.